What if I told you that 83% of websites actually improve their SEO rankings after migrating to Webflow? Yet, most marketing teams are terrified to make the switch because of horror stories. Here's why those fears are completely outdated and the exact framework that achieves zero SEO failures across 30 plus migrations. Hi, I'm Parth Gaurav, founder of Digi Hotshot, a Webflow premium partner agency, and let's start and let's dive into this video. Now picture this, it's Monday morning and your marketing team just planned the perfect campaign launch. The landing page request still sitting in the dev backlog. Week 3 rolls around and you are still waiting. Meanwhile, your competitors are launching campaigns in hours and not weeks. Sounds familiar, right? This is the exact reality of thousands of B2B marketing teams stuck on WordPress or any legacy CMS, trapped between needing speed and fearing change. Every week, I hear from CMOs who desperately need to escape these bottlenecks. But there is one question that stops every conversation cold. What if we lose our SEO rankings? It's the ultimate fear, destroying years of SEO work and watching organic traffic disappear overnight. So they stay stuck, choosing slow execution over the risk of losing what they've built. But what if everything you have heard about SEO drops during migration is wrong? I get it. The internet is full of horror stories. We lost 60% of our traffic, our rankings never recovered, migration destroyed our business. These stories spread like wildfire because fear travels faster than facts. And honestly, some of them are true. But here's what nobody talks about. Those disasters happened because agencies treated migrations, like design projects, completely ignoring SEO fundamentals. The failure weren't because of the platform switch. They were because of amateur builds, amateur execution. Hi, I'm Parth from Digi Hotshot. We are a Webflow premium partner agency and we have completed over 30 B2B migrations with a 91% client retention. But here's the crazy part. 83% of our migrated sites actually see improved rankings within 90 days. Not losses, but improvements. So what did we discover? The difference between SEO disasters and SEO improvements comes down to 3 technical factors that cause 95% of migration failures. First, broken redirects. When URLs change without proper 301 redirects, search engines find dead links instead of your content. Imagine a 200 blogs post suddenly returning 404 errors. Second, content lost during transfer. Missing meta descriptions, lost structured data, accidentally deleting pages. It's like moving houses and forgetting half the furniture. Third, indexing issues, broken sitemaps, missing analytics, misconfigured robot.txt files. Your site becomes invisible to Google. But here's the thing, these aren't Webflow problems, they are process problems. Any CMS migration faces these same risks. The difference is having allies who know how to prevent them. That's when we developed what we call the SEO-safe triangle. Speed, safety, and scale. Speed means completing migrations in 6 to 8 weeks, not 6 months. Safety means comprehensive redirect mapping and content preservation. Every URL manually mapped and tested, every piece of metadata preserved. Scale means leveraging Webflow's technical advantages. Clean HTML5 code, no plugin conflicts, built-in CDN, faster loading speeds. These improvements compound over time. But there was a problem. Even with our framework, we still had to prove it worked under pressure. Enter our biggest test, that wellness everyday migration, a mental health platform where any downtime could impact people in crisis. Zero margin for error. Now, day of launch arrives, DNS switch at 2 am, the entire team is watching metrics in real time. Rankings, traffic, user experience, everything being monitored. First 24 hours, stable. Week 1, stable. Week 2, rankings actually started improving. Mobile performance dramatically better, page load speeds cut in half. But the real test came at a week 4 when Google's algorithms fully processed the change. Results: 100% of rankings preserved, zero service disruption, enhanced mobile responsiveness, improved page load speeds, and here's the kicker. Within 6 months, organic traffic increased because Webflow's clean code and performance advantages kicked in. And this wasn't luck, this was systematic execution of proven protocols. Since then, we have replicated these results across SaaS companies, fintech firms, healthcare platforms, and portfolio operations. The pattern is consistent. Proper migration protocols don't just preserve SEO, they improve it. So let's go back to that original fear. What if we lose our rankings? Now you know the truth. The platform switch itself doesn't hurt SEO. Poor execution does. The real question isn't whether migration will hurt your SEO. It's whether staying on WordPress or any legacy platform is hurting your growth. Every week you wait for dev updates, every campaign delayed by technical limitations, every competitor who moves faster, that's the real cost. What's important today is clean code generation, built-in performance optimization, no plugin conflicts, semantic HTML5 structure. Search engines actually prefer Webflow's technical foundation. The fear is based on outdated information. The opportunity is real and available right now. Here's what we learned. SEO-safe migration isn't about luck or hoping for the best. It's about systematic execution of proven protocols. So here's my question for you. What's the bigger risk? Staying trapped in a system that slows down your marketing team, or partnering with experts who have proven that migration can actually improve your SEO? If you're ready to stop choosing between speed and safety, I've put together our complete SEO safe migration checklist, the 50-step framework that's achieved 0 ranking failures across our entire client portfolio. Link is in the description, do check it out. And if you want to discuss your specific situation, book a 15-minute strategy call. We'll assess your SEO risk factors, your platform limitations, the problems that you are having, and provide a custom protection plan regardless of whether you work with us or not. So the choice is yours. Stay stuck or take control. What are you going to do? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.